In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, artificial intelligence stands as a testament to human ingenuity and innovation. As society progresses, so too does the capability of artificial intelligence, permeating every facet of our existence with its remarkable skills and abilities. From the mundane to the extraordinary, artificial intelligence has become an indispensable tool, revolutionizing industries, enhancing efficiency, and pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the 10 mind-blowing skills that artificial intelligence has already mastered, revealing the astonishing breadth and depth of its capabilities. Join us as we delve into the realm of artificial intelligence, where the lines between science fiction and reality blur, and the potential for technological advancement knows no bounds. Number 1. Artificial intelligence can read. Are you seeking a way to streamline your communication process and focus solely on the key points? Look no further than SummarizBot, an artificial intelligence-powered tool designed to fulfill this very need. Whether you're dealing with news articles, web links, books, emails, legal documents, or multimedia files, SummarizBot utilizes advanced text summarization techniques driven by artificial intelligence and machine learning. This innovative solution provides concise summaries of content, allowing users to grasp essential information efficiently. Moreover, SummarizBot seamlessly integrates with popular messaging platforms like Facebook Messenger and Slack, harnessing the power of natural language processing, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and blockchain technologies to deliver unparalleled convenience and effectiveness. Number 2. Artificial intelligence can write. It may come as a surprise, but major news outlets like the New York Times, Washington Post, Reuters, and others are incorporating artificial intelligence into their writing processes. While artificial intelligence's contribution initially centered around formulaic news pieces covering the basics of who, what, where, when, and how, its capabilities have expanded to include more creative endeavors. Additionally, marketers are increasingly leveraging artificial intelligence to generate compelling social media content, further highlighting its versatility and impact across various industries. Notably, artificial intelligence's influence extends beyond journalism and marketing, with instances such as the creation of a novel by artificial intelligence, even earning recognition through a prestigious award nomination. Number 3. Artificial intelligence can see. Machine vision refers to the remarkable ability of computers to perceive and interpret visual information, subsequently making informed decisions based on this data. This technology finds widespread application across various fields, each harnessing its capabilities in unique and impactful ways. From facilitating the development of self-driving vehicles to enhancing law enforcement through facial recognition technology, machine vision plays a pivotal role in modern society. Additionally, industries such as manufacturing leverage machine vision for tasks like predictive maintenance and quality control, where the ability of machines to visually inspect products ensures optimal performance and reliability. Number 4. Artificial intelligence can hear and understand. It's fascinating to discover that artificial intelligence possesses the capability to identify gunshots, analyze their sound patterns, and promptly alert appropriate authorities. This exemplifies the extraordinary potential of artificial intelligence in sound recognition and comprehension. Moreover, the invaluable role of digital voice assistants cannot be overstated, as they effortlessly cater to various user needs, from providing weather updates to organizing daily schedules. In the realm of business, artificial intelligence-driven solutions like automated meeting minute generation have revolutionized workflow efficiency, offering professionals unparalleled convenience and accuracy. These examples underscore the diverse applications of artificial intelligence in enhancing safety, convenience, and productivity across different domains. Number 5. Artificial intelligence can speak. Artificial intelligence boasts the ability to engage in verbal communication as well. While the convenience and entertainment value of having voice-activated assistants like Alexa and Google Maps cannot be denied, Google Duplex represents a significant advancement in this field. This innovative technology leverages artificial intelligence to not only provide information and directions, but also to undertake more complex tasks, such as scheduling appointments, via phone calls using remarkably natural language. Impressively, Google Duplex can accurately interpret and respond to human responses during conversations, showcasing the sophistication and adaptability of artificial intelligence-driven conversational systems. Number 6. Artificial intelligence can smell. Artificial intelligence researchers are actively engaged in the development of artificial intelligence models with the remarkable capability to detect illnesses simply by analyzing a person's breath. This cutting-edge technology can discern specific chemical compounds, such as aldehydes, which are indicative of various health conditions and stress levels. From detecting cancers and diabetes to identifying brain injuries and even early signs of Parkinson's disease through the distinct woody musty odor. Artificial intelligence-driven breath analysis holds immense promise for early diagnosis and intervention. Furthermore, artificial intelligence-powered bots could be deployed for tasks such as identifying gas leaks or hazardous chemicals, underscoring the diverse applications of this technology in ensuring safety and well-being. Intriguingly, companies like IBM are exploring novel uses of artificial intelligence, such as developing innovative perfumes, highlighting the versatility and ingenuity of artificial intelligence-driven solutions in diverse fields. Number 7. Artificial intelligence can touch. Employing the combination of sensors and cameras, a remarkable robot has been engineered with the ability to distinguish perfectly ripe raspberries in a supermarket setting, autonomously harvesting and placing them into a basket. According to its creator, this groundbreaking technology is projected to achieve a remarkable pace of 1 raspberry picked every 10 seconds, operating continuously for 20 hours a day. This impressive feat not only showcases the precision and efficiency of artificial intelligence-driven robotics, but also points towards a future where such technologies could revolutionize agricultural practices. Looking ahead, the advancement of artificial intelligence in tactile development aims to integrate touch with other sensory modalities, unlocking further possibilities for enhancing machine perception and interaction with the environment. Number 8. Artificial intelligence can move. Artificial intelligence serves as the driving force behind a wide array of movements, powering autonomous vehicles, drones, and robots alike. An exemplary demonstration of this capability can be witnessed in the Alter 3 production at Tokyo's new National Theater, where robots showcase the ability to generate motion autonomously. This innovative application underscores the versatility and potential of artificial intelligence in orchestrating complex movements, paving the way for advancements across various industries and domains. Number 9. Artificial intelligence can play games. Artificial intelligence isn't solely focused on serious endeavors. It also possesses the capability to master games like chess, Go, and poker, achieving remarkable feats in the process. What's even more astounding is that artificial intelligence can not only learn to play these games proficiently, but also compete against and surpass human players. This ability highlights the adaptability and strategic prowess of artificial intelligence algorithms, showcasing their potential to excel in diverse contexts beyond traditional problem-solving tasks. Number 10. Artificial intelligence can create. Artificial intelligence extends its capabilities into the realm of creative expression, mastering various artistic processes, such as visual art creation, poetry writing, music composition, and even photography. Notably, Google's artificial intelligence has demonstrated remarkable proficiency in these endeavors, surpassing human-made counterparts, and even generating its own artificial intelligence child. This achievement underscores the boundless potential of artificial intelligence to innovate and excel in domains traditionally associated with human creativity, reshaping our understanding of what is achievable in the realm of art and expression. As we conclude our exploration into the realm of artificial intelligence, one cannot help but marvel at the sheer breadth and depth of its capabilities. From reading and writing to seeing, hearing, and even creating, artificial intelligence has transcended the realms of possibility, reshaping our understanding of what technology can achieve. Yet, as we gaze into the future, we are confronted with both excitement and trepidation. The prospect of a super artificial intelligence, amalgamating these 10 mind-blowing skills into a singular entity, evokes a myriad of emotions, from wonder to apprehension. However, amidst the uncertainty, one thing remains abundantly clear. The journey of artificial intelligence is far from over. As we continue to push the boundaries of innovation and exploration, let us tread carefully, mindful of the profound impact that artificial intelligence will undoubtedly have on our world. For in the convergence of human creativity and machine intelligence lies the promise of a future that is both daunting and exhilarating in equal measure.